Now this type of integration, integral 1 upon x square plus 2x plus c, something upon quadratic equations. Okay, how to integrate this type of integral? We used to integrate by making perfect squares. Now here I am going to speak about some tricks so that you can get the answers within few seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. Now let's solve first. Now we have x square plus twice x plus c. Okay. Remember what is discriminant? Okay. Now any quadratic equation of this form, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now consider d is discriminant. Discriminant means what? B square minus 4ac. Now check this discriminant. Okay. Now if this discriminant is less than 0, then the integral of this is given by 2 upon square root of mod of this d. Mod of this d. If the determinants come, since it is less than 0, minus, it will be minus, for example, minus of 24. Okay. Then neglect that minus, and then 10 inverse, then differentiation of that function, that quadratic equation, or you can say f dash x upon square root of mod of d plus c. Okay, this is the required integral for this. Now let's check what is discriminant this. Okay, if you compare with this equation with this quadratic equation, what is my a? Here a equals to what? 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 6. Okay, what is my d? B square means what? 2 to the 4 minus 4. A means 1. A is what? 1 into c is 6. Okay. Here we have, therefore d equals to 4 minus 20. Here is what? Minus 16 is less than 0. Since minus 16 is less than 0, now this formula we can apply over here. Okay. Now this integral is what? This integration is equals to, this integration is equals to 2 upon determinant of d. Okay. Here square root of, here we have minus 16 determinant, and 10 inverse f dash. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Here we will get differentiation to x square is what? Twice x plus 2 upon square root of mod of 16 plus c. That is 2 upon, this is what? Square root of 16, you can keep like this. Here 16 is what? 4 for the 16. 4, 10 inverse. From here you can take 2 common. X plus 1 upon here 4, and then if you cancel this, you have half 10 inverse x plus 1 upon 2 plus c. This is the required answer. Okay. Otherwise what you used to do is you can make perfect square, or normally what you used to do is here x square plus twice x plus what? 1, and then plus 5, and then that x square plus 1 the whole square, and then 5 is what? Square root of 5 the whole square. You can apply that formula also, the same answer will come. Now let's see question number 2. This is quadratic equation. Okay. Now first of all we have to check whether in this case, whether we have to check discriminant whether it is less than 0 or not. Means b square minus 4ac, is it less than 0 or not? If it is greater than 0, then we have another videos also. Okay. Now let's check over here. What is here? A is what? Compare with this equation with the quadratic equations. What we have here? A is what? 1, B is what? 4, and C is what? 5. Now what is D? Discriminant is what? B square means 4 for the 16 minus 4AC. Here this is 16 minus 20. 16 minus 20 is what? Here we have minus 4. Now since minus 4 is what? Is less than 0. Now since it is less than 0, then we can apply this formula for this particular integration. Okay. Now this is same as, the integration of this is same as, is equals to 2 upon square root of mod of d. Okay. Square root of mod of d. Here mod of d is what? Square root of 4. Okay. Here mod of 4 is what? 4. And 10 inverse differentiation of this. Okay. The differentiation of this is at twice x plus 4. Here twice x plus 4 upon this. here 4, okay, plus some constant. Here 2 upon square root of 2 is what? 2, tan inverse. Here if you take 2 common over here and then square root of 2, if you cancel here, what will get? 2x plus 2. This 2 and that 2 gets cancelled, okay. This is the required answer. Now given integral is this. Now we need to check, okay, we need to check whether this d, discriminant d is less than 0 or greater than 0. Let's compare with this quadratic equation with the standard form. And here what? Here is what? Is 5, b is what? 6, c is 5. Now what is d? Discriminant is b square. B square is 36, 6 is 36 minus 4a, 5a, 4ac here. 5 is equal to 36 minus 100. Now here 36 minus 100, okay. Now 36 minus 100 is what? 64, minus 64, and which is less than 0. Now since this is less than 0, then we can apply this formula. Now by applying this formula is equals to twice upon square root of mod of this. Mod of 64 is what? 64 itself, okay. So here I can write mod of 64 tan inverse of differentiation of this is what? 10x plus 6. 10x plus 6 upon here square root of mod of 64 plus c is equals to here 2 upon mod of 64 is 64. So 8, 2 upon 8 tan inverse. Here from numerator I can take 2 common, and let's, if I take 2 common, 5x plus 3 upon here is 8. Again I can cancel over here 1 by 4. Here also 1 by 4 I can write. Here I can write 1 by 4 and plus c. This is the required answer. Okay, these are shortcuts.